Hey guys, this is Miss Bradshaw. Let's talk about this assignment you have to do. Think, pair, and share. So you have an assignment that you have to do, and it will upload, and the top part of it will look like this. So you have to think, pair, and share. This is a strategy to complete a question that you have to answer. So step one, think about the question for a minute. So give your mind time to think about it. Step two says pair and complete the question with a partner. So we're not doing partner work, but that's okay. You can think with yourself. If you're at home, go ask your parents. Go ask your brother or your sister. Go ask an auntie or an uncle or a friend on the phone. So you can think about it or you can do it yourself. Then I want you to share with me, instead of the entire class, what you think about it. So on your part, on part 2, it says apply. You will have a question. Every time you have this assignment, there will be a question under the apply. That's the 3 steps you have to think about and then answer this question. Submit your assignment and it'll be graded. See you guys soon. Thanks.